Hello everyone, my name is Paraj Prajapati. Today I'm going to solve the LeetCode number 231, power of 2. So what is asking the question? It is given an integer of any value like 16. So we have to check it is a power of 2 or not. So directly we write the code in C++ and LeetCode editor. So first we have to handle the base case. If n value is greater than 0, then we have to return here only false. And then we have to check while we have to take while loop because we have to take and check the condition. So if while n modulus 2 is equal to 0, then we have to check n floor division, not floor, we have to divide, and if we get a question like any multiple of 2, then we will increment by 2, increment to 2, then we can check. And then if again while condition check, then if remainder, if last value of n which is equal to 1, then you have to return true, then else return false. This is a code. What you have done in this code? Let me check first test case. Okay, all test cases accepted. So I have to do in this code, like take example, we have to take 16. So we write it 16. So if we check first in while loop, if the condition is 16 modulus 2, which is equal to 0, because remainder is 0, then we will go inside the loop and then check if 16 is equal to not. So we will take like if is 16 is equal not 16, n is equal to 16 plus 2. So what we get a quotient, so we will get quotient as n equal to 8. Then it will continue in this loop. If the last value becomes 1, then we have to check, we have to return true because it is a power of 2, or otherwise you have to return false. If you submit the code, then the 0 millisecond second, and this is the proper solution for this code. Similarly, in like power of 3, we can check n modulus 3 and then continue. We will do in next video. Thank you.